What if I told you that everything you ever wanted was possible? Imagine standing at the edge of your dreams, feeling the wind of possibilities. The horizon is vast and the opportunities are endless. This isn't a line from your favorite motivational movie. It's a reality you can shape with your own hands, mind, and heart. We all crave success. We all have that inner drive, that spark that pushes us to achieve more. Success isn't a one-size-fits-all concept. It's a mosaic of your dreams, passions, and values. It's deeply personal, as unique as your fingerprint. Define what success looks like for you. Is it financial freedom, a fulfilling career? Maybe it's a loving family or making a difference in your community. Reflect on this question. What does your heart truly desire? What brings a smile to your face? The laughter of children? The embrace of a loved one? Your answer will be the compass that guides you on your journey. Are you ready to unlock your version of success? Let's dive in. Your journey to success starts now. Hey there, future achievers! Welcome to the beginning of an incredible journey that will transform your life. I'm so excited to embark on this journey with you. Together, we'll explore the paths less traveled and discover the secrets to achieving your dreams. I've spent years studying success, interviewing countless high achievers, and helping people from all walks of life unlock their potential. From students to professionals, everyone has the capacity to achieve greatness. My mission is simple: to empower you with the tools and strategies you need to create a life you love. Whether it's through goal setting, time management, or building resilience, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. A life filled with purpose, passion, and yes, success. Imagine waking up every day excited about the possibilities ahead, knowing that you are on the right path. Throughout this guide, we'll explore proven principles that will help you reach your goals, overcome obstacles, and live a truly fulfilling life. We'll dive into the habits of successful people, the mindset shifts required, and the actions you can take to make your dreams a reality. Remember, success isn't about luck or circumstance. It's about dedication, hard work, and making the right choices. It's about learning from failures and celebrating your victories, no matter how small they may seem. It's about making a conscious decision to take control of your life and create the future you desire. Visualize your goals, plan your steps, and take action with confidence and determination. So buckle up, get ready to unleash your inner rock star, and let's get started. This is your moment, your opportunity to shine. Embrace the journey, stay committed, and watch as your dreams turn into reality. Let's make this journey unforgettable. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine your ideal life. What do you see? Where are you? Who are you surrounded by? What are you doing? This vision, my friend, is your personal definition of success. It's not about comparing yourself to others or chasing someone else's dreams. True success comes from aligning your actions with your values and aspirations. Maybe your vision involves traveling the world, building a thriving business, or becoming a renowned artist. Whatever it is, write it down. Make it tangible. This is your North Star, guiding you towards your goals. Remember, your definition of success is unique to you. Don't let anyone tell you what it should be. Own it, embrace it, and let it fuel your journey. Now that you have a clear vision of your personal success, it's time to break it down into actionable steps. This is where SMART goals come in. They provide a framework for setting goals that are specific, clearly define what you want to achieve. Instead of saying, "I want to be healthier," say, "I want to lose 10 pounds by exercising 3 times a week for 30 minutes. Measurable? How will you track your progress? Use specific metrics to measure your success. For instance, if your goal is to read more, specify the number of books you aim to read each month. Achievable? Set realistic goals that challenge you without feeling overwhelming. It's important to stretch your abilities, but also to remain practical. If you aim too high too soon, you might get discouraged. Relevant, ensure your goals align with your values and overall vision. Ask yourself, why is this goal important to me? How does it fit into my larger life plan? Time-bound. Set a deadline for each goal to create a sense of urgency and accountability. Deadlines help you stay focused and motivated. For example, if you want to learn a new skill, set a timeline for when you want to achieve proficiency. By setting SMART goals, you transform your dreams into concrete action plans. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Let's delve deeper into each component of SMART goals. Specific. The more precise your goal, the easier it is to understand and achieve. Instead of a vague goal like, "I want to be successful," Define what success looks like for you. Is it a promotion at work? Starting your own business? Measurable? Tracking progress is crucial. It not only helps you stay on course, but also allows you to celebrate small victories along the way. Achievable. While it's great to aim high, make sure your goals are within reach. Break larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks. Relevant. Your goals should resonate with your core values and long-term objectives. If a goal doesn't align with your bigger picture, you might lose interest. Time-bound deadlines create a sense of urgency. They push you to take action and prevent procrastination. Without a time frame, your goal might remain a distant dream. Let's consider an example. If your goal is to improve your fitness, a SMART goal would be, I will run a 5K race in 6 months by training 3 times a week. This goal is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. By setting SMART goals, you create a clear roadmap to success. You know exactly what you want, how to get there, and when you want to achieve it. This clarity helps you stay motivated and focused. So take a moment to reflect on your goals. Are they SMART? If not, how can you refine them to fit the SMART criteria? Remember, the journey to success begins with a single step, and that step is setting a SMART goal. By setting SMART goals, you transform your dreams into concrete action plans. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish, so start today. Define your goals, make them SMART, and take the first step towards achieving them. Your future self will thank you. A goal without a plan is just a wish. But with SMART goals, you have the power to turn those wishes into reality. So what are you waiting for? Start setting your SMART goals today and watch your dreams come to life. Section 5. Embracing the growth mindset, turning setbacks into stepping stones. On your journey to success, you're bound to encounter obstacles and setbacks. That's just part of life. But it's how you approach these challenges that will determine your ultimate success. Adopting a growth mindset is crucial. This means embracing challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. Instead of viewing setbacks as failures, see them as valuable feedback. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this experience? How can I use this to become stronger and more resilient? Remember, every successful person has faced their fair share of obstacles. It's their ability to learn, adapt, and persevere that sets them apart. Section 6. Persistence, the unwavering spirit of success. Success isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. There will be times when you want to give up, when the finish line seems miles away. But it's during these moments of doubt that persistence becomes your greatest ally. Think of Thomas Edison, who famously said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." His unwavering belief in his vision and his refusal to give up led to the invention of the light bulb. Persistence is about having the grit to keep going even when things get tough. It's about believing in yourself and your dreams, even when no one else does. Section 7. Never stop learning, expanding your horizons. In today's rapidly changing world, continuous learning is no longer optional. It's essential. The more you learn, the more valuable you become. Make a commitment to lifelong learning. Read books, attend seminars, take online courses, and surround yourself with people who challenge you to grow. Focus on developing valuable skills such as critical thinking, problem solving, communication, and adaptability. These skills are in high demand and will serve you well throughout your life. Remember, the moment you stop learning is the moment you stop growing. Section 8. The power of connection, building a network of support. No one achieves success alone. Surround yourself with a supportive network of mentors, peers, and friends who believe in your vision and push you to be your best. Attend industry events, join online communities, and reach out to people you admire. Don't be afraid to ask for help or advice. Remember, your network is your net worth. Building strong relationships can open doors to new opportunities, provide valuable support, and accelerate your journey to success.